EMG Alpha. So EMG Master Alpha. Okay, shoutout kay Bossing. Ganda. So license siya guys, may kasama siyang ito card, license card, EMG TTI, and then may kasama na rin siyang plates for optic attachment, yung mga tools niya, yun lang. And then magazine capacity is 40 rounds. So naka magwell na rin, and then metal yung slide, metal din yung frame. So may under rail na rin for attachment. So yun yung serial number niya. Combat Master markings, na compensator. So guys, threaded yung tip niya. And then ayun, pwede kayo maglagay ng any attachment, suppressor, tracer, kung ano man lalagay nyo. And then guys, yung tawag dito, yung provision niya for the optic attachment, or tawag dito, optic mount. Ayan, kung ayaw nyo ilagay dito, pwede kayo maglagay dito. So guys, test natin. Chrono check. Price pala is 11,000. Firing 384, 378, for details PM lang kayo sa page natin.